Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Afreen and in today's video I will be sharing with you the top 5 side hustles that you can start in 2020 and make some money online. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post videos on freelancing, social media and entrepreneurship every Saturday. Also stay tuned till the end of the video because there's a bonus tip for you guys. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Side hustle number 1. Copywriting. Don't confuse copywriting with content writing because these two are completely different. Copywriting is selling in writing. So all those copies for social media posts, emails, funnels, sales pages, they all require expert and great copies. People pay a lot of money to great copywriters because they are the ones who convert their audience to paying customers. If you like persuading people and if you love writing, then mix these two together and you can be a great copywriter. Of course, it will take time to learn it and experience it, but at the end of the day, it's still worth it and very profitable. Side hustle number 2, graphic designing. With more and more people coming onto social media and websites, brands are actually hiring expert graphic designers in order to elevate their brand in front of their audience. I'm a graphic designer myself and my clients are extremely overwhelmed with the idea of moving an image or adding a text to the artwork. Therefore, they hire me for their designing needs. Similarly, if you have the artistic ability or if you want to learn designing, then you must, because this is a very high in demand skill. You don't have to start with Photoshop or Illustrator just to begin with. You can either start with Canva and see if you really like it. If you love it, you can experiment complex softwares as well like Photoshop, Illustrator and CorelDRAW. Side hustle number 3, social media management. If you love using Facebook and Instagram, this side hustle can be for you as well. But hear me out, there are so many different people proclaiming themselves as social media experts, but they don't really know what is there on the platform and how the algorithms really work. So if you want to succeed using this particular skill, you need to know how the algorithms work and the platforms inside out. If you are a newbie, you can definitely take online courses like Facebook Blueprint or Digital Garage, or maybe take free courses on Udemy and Coursera just to be better than the rest and to stand out from the crowd. Moreover, my advice to you would be, instead of being jack of all and learning all the different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, master one single platform and really become an expert in it, because that is how you'll make more money online and you'll be able to raise your prices higher. Before I move to side hustle number 4, I really want you to understand that do not be attracted to a new skill every single time you hear about it. So let's say if I'm talking about the 5 side hustles that you can start, doesn't mean that you should be doing every single thing. Just pick one thing, learn it and really master it, because that is how you're gonna be an expert in that field. Side hustle number 4, video editing or becoming a video editor. So before I talk about this, I need to share one stat with you. So by 2020, online videos will make up more than 80% of all consumer internet traffic. That is correct. This is why video editing is one of the top 5 side hustles that you can start today, because it's super important and it can be highly profitable in the future. So if you are a video editor, congratulations. If you are not, learn it, because this can be very profitable. Side hustle number 5, virtual assistant. With more and more businesses being launched every single day, from solopreneurs to corporations, people need a virtual assistant in order to maintain and manage their business and admin tasks. But who exactly is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is a person who provides various services to entrepreneurs or businesses from a remote location. There are a host of things that virtual assistants can do, including social media management, event management, managing calendars, reports, and simple digital marketing tasks. Here you go. If you think that you can do all of these tasks, and if you love being organized, and if you can help people do that, then you can definitely try out being a virtual assistant for someone and managing all these tasks, because trust me, this is one of the top rated skills people actually need. If you are still, stay tuned till the end of the video. Here is your bonus tip. So if you think that you cannot do either of these 5 tasks that I just mentioned, well, I have a longer list for you guys to explore and maybe something that you can really sell online. Let me show you. Alright guys, so if you are looking for a longer list, then you can simply go to fiverr.com and search for any service. So let's click on voiceover. And here you go with all the categories that people are actually buying and paying for online. So graphics and design, we have so many different options to choose from: digital marketing, writing and translations. If you are fluent in more than one language, you can go for translation services, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business. We have other options as well besides virtual assistant that we talked about, lifestyle, and so on and so forth. So explore this list, and I'm sure that you will find at least one to two things that you can really sell online on this platform. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Well, in my next video, I will be sharing my top secret tips on how you can get freelance clients when you have zero clients. So if you're interested, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes of my business. Thank you. Bye.